Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Techly Things. Now here what happened today in the program. I will be doing some vacuuming of this car. Now look at the seat. To the naked eye it might not look that dirty, but it is actually dirty. Let me just give you a better look. This is the carpet. Right, this is the seat. Right, so I am gonna give it a spot cleaning with my spot cleaner. So this is actually the before, and I'm gonna show you the after. Now this is what I'll be using, the bristle. Yeah. Now the bristle has two. Let me get this off. So the bristle have two nozzles, this one and this one, and I guess which one you think I rather this one. This one gets the work done better. This one is like normal for the settee. We have some unusual crevice and corners. This can do it, but this is if that's not working, and this is the hose here. And let me just show you where I go. This is where you put the water on the solution that you're using in this here, and once you close it, you put it back on here. Good. Now this side is where it gets the dirt, the residue, dirty water, like this here. So without further ado, I'm gonna start my cleaning, and I hope you watch. Normally when you buy this from the store, you get the solution with it, but I'm just using my own. Yeah, to get my result, I'm just using my own. This is what it is, and it also gives you the measurement. Water here, formula here. For small area and for large area, it is like this here. But as I said, I'm using my own mixture. Anywhere that you find suspect of having excess dirt that this can float, you just have to brush it, so it wake up the dirt so that you can get to vacuum it out. And you find with the edges of the seats, like these sides, always have some extra dirt in it, hard to get out. Alright, let me see now. Here we go. Now, so far so good. The job is completed, and I'm pleased with the bristle. The only problem I might have with it is that it should have a button on it or something to allow water to come out, either hot or cold. It's just one temperature coming out, so you might want to either steam something before you get it out, but because you don't have that feature on it, you just have to work with what it is. But nevertheless, it's not like an industrial type machine, so it does a domestic type of work, you know. So at the end of the day, I really appreciate the work that it has done, and yeah, looking forward to work with it a little bit more. So you know what, tell me what you think about the job, tell me what you think about the machine. And as usual, this is Joe Quick once more from toolkit saying peace out. Wet, so the sun will dry it, and then you'll see afterwards.